In today's show, we are looking at how to prepare to deal with the gatekeepers who will try to block you, the right approach during the call, and the importance of having a massive hook to grab attention. Welcome back to this weekly edition every Friday of the Japan Business Mastery Show. I'm your host, Dr. Greg Story, your corporate coaching and training guy, president of Dale Carnegie Training Japan, and best-selling author of Japan Sales Mastery and my new book, Japan Business Mastery. We are bringing the show to you from our studio in the High Performance Center in Akasaka in Minato-ku, the business center of Tokyo. This is episode number 2, and we are talking about the top 3 most critical things you must do when cold calling. Before we get going, a quick word from our sponsor. If you want to sell more and do it more easily, do the Winning with Relationships selling course. If you can't build trust, no sale. Can't design excellent questions to understand the client's needs, no sale. Can't present the solution convincingly, no sale. Can't handle objections properly, no sale. Can't close, no sale. Master the sales process by doing the Winning with Relationships selling course now in either Japanese or English. Welcome back. Okay, now it is time for the show. Soredewa, ikimasho. So let's get going. The top 3 most critical things you must do when cold calling. Cold calling is dead. No, cold calling is not dead. Lots of debate and advice on this subject, and many a fortune made as a result of the doubt. For Japan, it is not dead, but it is diabolically hard. We need to select ideal prospects who are not presently clients. We need to list companies who are lookalikes for current clients or fit into the sweet spot. We have what they need, they just don't know it. It is our duty to help them solve their problems with our help. Step 1, expect resistance, barriers, fear, timidity, non-cooperation from the young lady who has been designated to answer the phone. Her job is to get rid of you, and she doesn't want to be bawled out by a boss for letting you slip through the protective wall. You know this, so you must design a killer opening to woo her to let you speak to her boss. Step number 2, introduce your name and company very, very slowly and tremendously clearly. It doesn't matter what language you are speaking. All that katakana is a total brain whiteout for her. This is Greg's story from Dale Carnegie Training. She was freaking out from the get-go that it was a foreigner calling, and all she can think about is that she can't speak English well. And then you hit her with all of these unfamiliar, strange-sounding names. Step 3, slowly explain what you do and include a massive hook in there to get interest. We're a global expert in corporate soft skills training. We recently worked with XYZ company, your competitor, to increase their revenues by finding new clients. It was a great success, and they have seen a 25% jump in new business already. Maybe we could do the same for you, I'm not sure. Please transfer me, though, through to your boss or your sales director so that he can make a judgment about whether this is something your company would like to know more about, or whether you're okay for your rival to grab the greater market share. If you are not getting the new business, then that will have a big impact on your business survival. I know your sales director won't want to see that happen, so please let me discuss this with him. If you don't allow me to speak with him, then my next call will be to another one of your competitors. And so the problem will just get much, much worse, won't it? So don't wait. Let's put me through to him right away. Yes, it is a bit hardcore for Japan, you might be thinking, but in cold calling here, you need dynamite to blow up that defensive wall. If they won't put you through or call you back or answer your email, then keep approaching their competitors and use one of them to find out who wants to hear about what you've got to offer, to be a leverage. So the 3 steps are: 1, mentally brace for getting the bum's rush. 2, introduce your name and company name very, very slowly, very clearly. 3, explain how you can help them, put in the big hook there for them to buy. Then they will buy. Thank you for watching this episode, and remember to hit the subscribe button. The Japan Sales Mastery Show is here to help you navigate your way around business in Japan. Subscribe on YouTube, share it with your family, friends, and colleagues. Hit the little bell for automatic new episode notifications. Our website details are on screen now, enjapan.dalecarnegie.com. It is awesome value, so take a look. Please leave me any feedback you have on YouTube. I would love to know how the show is helping and what other topics you are interested in for me to cover. Remember, I'm here as a free resource to help you. So just let me know how I can help you best. You might also enjoy my other weekly shows for podcast. Mondays for the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show. Tuesday for the Presentations Japan series. Wednesdays for the Sales Japan series. Thursdays for the Leadership Japan series. And Fridays for the podcast version of the Japan Business Mastery Show. Now, you get these wherever you find your podcast. Mondays, I release my other TV show, the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show on YouTube, so look for that. In episode 3, we are talking about 4 easy ways to become more clear when you present. Onegai itashimasu. Please join me for the next exciting episode of the Japan Business Mastery Show.